What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia, and in today's video I'm getting some everyday cleaning done around the apartment. I'm starting off with some laundry because there was a load that I had actually left in the dryer and forgot about, so I definitely want to fold all of that stuff, put it away. Most of it is Riley's things, and you know, if you guys have a toddler, then you know that they go through clothes very quickly. Mine likes to switch her clothes out multiple times a day, so I just wanted to make sure that I had enough clothes cleaned and put away in her room. Also, I'm going to be tackling my bathroom today, so you guys get a chance to see what that looks like, and make sure to stay to the end of the video because some new things finally came in that I am super excited about and I cannot wait to share with you guys.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
There were a few clothes of mine that I had also had washing with Riley, so I'm going to quickly put those away. And while I'm in here, I might as well make my bed since I didn't get a chance to earlier this morning. I was relaxing, and you know, this is definitely something I did not tackle, so I'm going to quickly make my bed and also fold that sheet that is laying in the corner.
It's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you. Oh yeah.
Heading on over to Riley's room, I'm gonna hang all of her clothes up in the closet, and some of you guys even mentioned that I should get like a smaller dresser drawer to put at the bottom, and I thought that was such a great idea. So I'm trying to figure out what kind of little dresser that I'm looking for. So I've been on the hunt for that. I definitely think that is a better choice to put that in the closet and also allow me to keep all of her pajamas, underwear, socks, all of that kind of stuff in here. And then I'm gonna head over to the other side of the room and put away her pajamas and also just clean this area up. It's not exactly how I want it, and I did just check IKEA and they have the bins in stock. So I'm hoping that by the time the cabinets that I want for the living room are in stock, that those bins are also in stock, because I feel like I've been going back and forth to IKEA a lot, and if I can just make it all in one trip, it saves me the time and also the gas. I'm quickly gonna vacuum in here, and so many of you guys have been asking me what type of vacuum I have, and this is the Musu cordless vacuum. I believe I do have a coupon code, so I'm gonna try and find that, and I will link it down below for you guys.
But I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
Heading back into my room, I'm gonna finally tackle this sheet that was there and any little bits of stuff that was in the corner. I'm also going to try and figure out what to do with that. And again, my dresser, the top of it is a hot mess again, so I'm gonna try and straighten all of that up as well.
I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
All right, guys, so now it is time to tackle the bathroom. And if I can be completely honest, this is my least favorite chore to do. That's probably why I've been putting it off, doing it all day, but there is nothing worse than a dirty bathroom. So I'm gonna start off by spraying the tub down with the Kaboom cleaner that has OxyClean in it. And then I'm gonna use some Lysol to thoroughly wipe down the sink. And then I'm gonna move on to the toilet.
I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I've got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I
Now that we have the rest of the bathroom cleaned, it's now time to scrub this tub. And I had bought this brush from the Dollar Tree, but I also need to get some Dawn dish soaps so I can put it in there and just make the entire process of cleaning the tub a whole lot easier. I just haven't gotten a chance to go to the Dollar Tree, so I am just going to use the suds and everything from the Kaboom cleaner to thoroughly clean and wipe down the tub. All right, guys, so I finally got all of the pieces to hang up Riley's curtain. This is the single track. I know it also comes in a 3-track and maybe a 2-track as well, but I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. This is basically what I needed to go back to IKEA for, to actually hang or put these in here. And then these you're actually going to attach to the actual curtain so we can hang everything. So I'm super excited about this. I am going to show you guys how I hang and decorate everything in the next video. So definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. These are the pink curtains that I got for her. I think it will fit perfectly with her room. So I'm so excited to finally be able to put this stuff up. Her new decal also came in, so I am super excited about the next video for you guys. It's definitely going to be a good one. So hit the subscribe button down below, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys right back here in a couple days with another video. Bye.